How to change a battery on a Hyundai Sonata. On the driver's side, come down here, pop the hood. Here there's a latch, just push up. So this is an H6 760 pole cranking amps. So that basically it's a size 48. We're going to take these terminals off. You want to take the negative off first, positive second. When you put it back on, you want the positive first, then the negative. Before you disconnect the battery, if you have any like key codes or anything to your radio, make sure you have those. So this is just a size 10. So I'm just going to loosen it up. Again, taking negative off first. Okay, we got the positive off. Have to remove that bolt down there that holds the battery in place. So using a 13mm with an extension, you take that bolt off. That's for the retaining bracket. Got the bolt. Retaining bracket. Now we can take the battery out. New battery. Try to put the heat shield on. So if you want to see where that bolt goes, the bracket goes down here. Replace the retaining bracket. It's easiest to put it in, and then you can see line up the hole and then put the bolt through that. Tighten it up. So good. Battery doesn't want to move around now. Put these back on. It's a good idea to just make sure that, you know, there's nothing in there. You can put contact grease in there and things like that. So we're just going to remove the post protector and slide this back on. Make sure that it's all the way down. Okay. Tighten it up. Make sure it's not loose. Close that. Take the negative post off. Slide this on. Okay. Seems good. Now, time to start the car and see if it works. Let's see if it starts. Good. Just so you know, if your radio doesn't work right away, it's because you need some type of code for it. That would only be if you put a, basically an anti-theft device on a radio. I'll put a link in the description below for an equivalent battery. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.